Hi, I'm Hyacinth May Balazo, studying in University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines, taking the course Technology Communication Management.
So how has it been so far as a TCM student?
So far, being a TCM student is both exciting and challenging. Dili siya sayon pero fulfilling kayo every semester na ay bagong skills nga akong natun-an like video editing, graphic design, and even programming. Pero naapod mga times nga stressful kayo, especially kung magdungan-dungan ang mga deadlines, pero in personal, it's like fun and fulfilling. Okay, every project feels like a new opportunity to show what I've learned. I feel proud nga nakaabot ko ani nga point. Bisag lisod, I know I've grown so much since I started.
What have you discovered about yourself during your time in TCM so far?
So, na-discover na ko nga mas creative di ay ko kaysa akong gi-expect. Before, murag hesitant ko mo try og new things, pero karon mas confident na ko mo-express sa akong ideas. I also learned nga I work well under pressure. Kana bitang murag last minute na, pero makaya ra gihapon. Naka-discover pud ko nga I love storytelling, whether through videos, writing, or visuals. Mao na nga I enjoy the projects nga involve creativity and communication.
So what are some of the challenges you have faced at this stage in your college life?
Daghang gid challenges nga akong na-face. First sa tanan is time management. Dili lalim i-balance ang academics, personal life, and usahay ang work pod. And usahay kanang kulang sa tulog, kulang sa energy, pero kailangan gihapon humanon ang mga task. Another challenges is group work. Dili malikayan ang naay conflict or miscommunication usahay, pero part na siya sa learning process. And of course, burnout. Kana bitong murag gusto na lang ka matulog forever, pero dapat laban lang gihapon.
So what keeps you going despite all of these challenges?
So, honestly, daghan kayong rason nga gusto na lang ko surrender, pero what keeps me going is the vision I have for my future. Kabalo ko nga tanan sakripisyo karon para ragyod na sa kaugmaon. I want to make my family proud, also support sa akong friends. Dako kayo na silang tabang, usahay simple nga message nila is kaya ra nimo. Makalift na sa spirit, and syempre akong love for media and communication. Passion gid na ko ni, so bisan kapoy worth it gyapon.
If you were to give advice to your past self on your first day in TCM, what could that be and why?
If maka-backtrack ko and maki-story sa akong first day self, akong isulti is don't be afraid to fail. Ayaw kahadlok masayop, ayaw kahadlok mo criticize, because that's how you grow. Be open for learning, be followed sa mga kanang mga nabuhat nimo, and ano siya. And then every late night na nag-edit na mag-laugh your classmates kay iputol na lang iputol. If maka-backtrack ko and makig-story sa akong first day self, akong isulti, don't be afraid to fail. Ayaw kahadlok masayop. Ayaw kahadlok mag-criticize because that's how you grow. Be open to learning, be open to feedback kay sa TCM dili lang man skills ang ma-develop nimo kundi ang imong character pod. And enjoy the journey. Cherish every small win, every late night na mag-edit, every laugh with your classmates. Kay when you look back, dili lang nimo makita ang struggles but also the strength nga imong na-build.